Okay, here's our possible final layout. I have the center of the window at 74.5, and the width of it is 70 inches. The sink is centered. It shifted some things down, moved a lot of this down to keep the hood in between the windows. And this is a I have it at a 30-inch wide hood, but I know it's going to be bigger than that. But regardless, it's centered in between the windows. So the cooktop is centered. Refrigerator, sink, and your dishwasher. Second dishwasher. So you're going to have a panel here. The countertop is 38 inches, and that's assuming a 2 cm or 3/4 inch thick laminated countertop. Rollouts behind these two doors. When you look at this, it'll look like 4 drawers, and there's 2 rollouts behind the drawer. So if you look at the side view of this here, this is the drawer front and the rollouts behind it. The drawer box for the top drawer ends here, and then the rollout. Both of these are built that way. The front of the island, same thing, rollouts, spice pull out, trash. Back of the cabinets facing the sink here. No rollout in this one. Your beverage fridge. The coffee area with your double oven. Now this is the depth of the wall here, 23 inches. So these cabinets, this cabinet here is 25, which is required because of the depth of the oven. So these cabinets are going to stick out further than the wall is deep, but we'll have a 3/4 inch wide panel on the side that'll die into the face here, and that's typical. This cabinet here, we look at it in this view, there's an applied panel here. The front of that's 3/4 wide, and that would be the same application here, only they're short because the wall is deeper. Big doors, tray divider, some chrome tray dividers here. These, let's see, cabinet 27, 26 would be a face frame flush inset door. Open them up and they slide back in. We'll have to have the deck of the cabinet. Let's see if we go to end view, meaning I'll have to adjust this, but we take the bottom of the cabinet and go down with it. So we have 3/4 of an inch. This is the top of the rail. That's the bottom of the door. So you'll have 3/4 of an inch to put your countertop in there, because I can't put the countertop on top here. It'll prevent the door from sliding back in. But these are going to be flush inset, and we're going to have to make a shelf here at 52 inches, but it can't go to the sides because the doors need to go back. So that shelf will just have to be mounted to the back. And right here, countertop on the inside, you may or may not be doing that. So that's the coffee wall, the fridge wall here, 1.5 inch panel here, and that would extend deeper and come to the back of the paneling on the back side, and I'll adjust that. It's not flush, but the idea is there. Slab walnut, floating shelves are walnut. These are shaker doors. Walnut door. The inside of this will be walnut, and this is clear glass slab here. and you have pullouts on either side with your fridges here. Let's see the back side. This is the paneling. 4-inch tall toe kick for this to sit on, and then soffit across the top. So this is behind the refrigerators for these panels. Sitting area. I think this is all black. Dead corner, drawers, glass. Instead of painting all this black on the inside, we can just use black melamine. A little bit more durable, and we'll save on cost. That's just a lot of interior cabinet to paint. Stiletto black. This is our layout. The sink wall. Just glass on the uppers. Pantry. This one's a little cut up, but looking straight down. Here's your fridge, big wide drawer stack, base cabinet. There's a little bit of awkward space here. I don't know if we should make this cabinet is already pretty wide. Well, no, we can go a few inches wider. So we have an equal space in this corner, because this again would be a dead corner. And this skinny cabinet in the corner as shown. And then on your pantry wall, these are all the floating shelves. 12 inches deep, walnut. And the bottom one is 28 inches off the ground with a foot in between each one. And the last thing is the dining room. And I know this section, if you're looking at the fireplace, somewhat unknown until the demo is done. And then the exterior new addition wall. This is what we have. Wood top. You are going to confirm the depth of those cabinets. White shaker. Drawers. These two are wider than the outside. Let me know what you think. Thank you.